Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate sauce for pancakes. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and a small pinch of salt. Also, have 1 cup of milk or water ready, along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything prepared makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's combine our dry ingredients. Take a small saucepan and add 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Next, carefully measure and add 1 full cup of granulated sugar. Finally, stir in just 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This tiny addition truly enhances the rich chocolate flavor, making it pop. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly until they are well combined and lump-free. With your dry ingredients mixed, it's time to add the liquid. Gradually whisk in 1 cup of milk or water until the mixture is completely smooth. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat, stirring constantly to prevent scorching. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 2 minutes, allowing it to thicken slightly. Remove it from the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a delightful aroma. Your delicious homemade chocolate sauce is almost ready. Let it cool for a few minutes. It will thicken beautifully as it cools, reaching that perfect pourable consistency for your pancakes. For any leftover sauce, simply transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delightful for up to 1 week, making your future breakfasts extra special and easy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.